me, the secret to good-sounding music is dimension. There's a group of people out there who, when they hear it the right way and on a really good system, really good earbuds, it changes everything. I'm Chris Gehringer, mastering engineer, Sterling Sound. Think about what music is. It's vibrations that people make up in chords and rhythms and things like that. And we react to it in certain ways. We cry, we laugh, we're happy, we party. We live by sound. With 360, the music is above you, behind you. Sound just doesn't go into your ears. Sound goes through your body. Hear what you've been missing. Hear it the way I hear it.